Hi guys, welcome back to Tech Product. Today, we're taking a look at the best titanium cutting board for kitchen that brings smart design and modern materials together in one simple tool. If you want cleaner prep, better durability, and an easier cooking routine, this one is worth your attention. Let's get started. The Sky Titanium Cutting Board for Kitchen is designed as a dual-sided board, which already makes it stand out. On one side, you get 99.9% pure food-grade titanium. This side is perfect for cutting raw and cooked meats. It gives you a smooth and solid surface that feels strong under your knife. It does not absorb odors, and it does not stain easily, so your board stays fresh even after preparing different types of meat. Flip it over, and you have a BPA-free wheat straw PP surface. This side is great for chopping fruits, vegetables, and everyday ingredients. It helps you separate meat from produce, which makes your kitchen routine more hygienic and organized. You are basically getting two cutting boards in one slim design. One feature I really like is the upgraded deep juice groove around the edge. When you are slicing juicy tomatoes or cutting meat, the extra liquid collects in the groove instead of spilling onto your counter. That means less mess and faster cleanup. It is a small detail, but it makes a big difference during busy cooking sessions. The titanium side has a smooth mesh texture that resists odor buildup. Over time, light knife marks may appear, and that is completely normal with regular use. The good thing is that unlike wooden boards, the Sky titanium cutting board does not crack or soak up smells. It keeps its shape and stays reliable for a long time.
Cleaning is also simple. Both sides are stain-resistant and dishwasher-safe. After you finish cooking, just place it in the dishwasher and you are done. No need for heavy scrubbing or special care.
For stability, the Sky Titanium Cutting Board for Kitchen includes anti-slip silicone edges. These keep the board firmly in place while you chop. It does not slide around, so you can cut with more confidence and control. There is also a built-in grinding area on the wheat straw side. This is perfect for crushing garlic, ginger, or small spices directly on the board. It saves time and reduces the need for extra tools. Finally, the integrated handle makes it easy to carry, hang, or store. You can move it around the kitchen or hang it neatly to keep your space organized. This cutting board truly upgrades your kitchen game. Check the price link in the description and see if it fits your cooking style. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Tech Product for more smart finds. See you in the next video.